Hello everyone. Doubts please. Hello everyone. Good evening. Hello everyone. Yes, please send it out. Any doubts? Just let me know. I'm waiting here. Hi, Shrishti. We'll wait for a few minutes, let everyone come, and then you can post it out, please. Oh, what's this? Remove the annotation, please. Who's this Zils Chaudhary from Dadar? Children, how many of you appeared for that NSCGS test? Did anyone appear? Cover up ka? Minor test? Shrishti, you did appear? How did he do? How was the paper?
Ma'am, the paper was little hard.
It was hard? Okay. So evolution में क्या क्या questions आए बताओ मुझे क्या क्या नहीं आए
Ma'am, I was able to answer evolution very well, but heredity and all I was not able to answer. Because like I did not attend those lectures only, so how can I answer?
Okay. You got, and Shrishti, you got all the questions in evolution, correct? It was evolution part was easy or difficult?
No, evolution part was very easy. Like there were only homologous and analogous का thing.
हाँ. कोई confusion था कहीं पर? And hereditary का part?
There was a question like someone has color blindness or something. Then there was this whole question in which family diagram was drawn, and then they said ki, like one one person one colorblind person marries another normal person, a normal woman.
अच्छा hereditary, no?
Yeah, but her father was colorblind. So what are the
My
chances?
God, why is this child getting crazy now? I'm angry now.
Yeah, and that question was there. I do not understand that.
अच्छा, so that was a question, no? अच्छा, so बेटा hereditary का तो मैं आपको नहीं discuss करूँगी because Zoha ma'am is taking, but evolution के सारे आप मुझसे पूछो, right? We have divided our portions to teach you. Any doubts in the last lecture? You can this don't see this, huh? This is just I was writing something for 10th grade. Some solutions I was making. So इसको देखने का there's no point, huh? How many 10 students are there today? Zils Chaudhary, who's this guy? I want to know. Zils, who are you? What's your full name? Correct name. What's your full name, beta?
Chaudhary Jils Kumar.
Chaudhary Jils Kumar. Is this the correct spelling for your name? ZILS?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, मतलब क्या होता है आपके नाम का?
Ma'am, person.
अच्छा. And there is this Dava. I don't know. Who's this? Who's this? I don't know. Shall I remove this person? Waiting room में गया बंदा. Okay.
कोई और मेरे नाम से ज्वाइन कर रहा है.
किसके नाम से है? आपके नाम से? किसके नाम से?
अभी चला गया, मैंने बोला ना बस तभी चला गया, तो मेरे नाम से ज्वाइन किया कोई.
ओके. एक ने तो आई डोंट नो लिखा था, उसको तो मैंने निकाल दिया. ज्वाइन करने में क्या अच्छा लगता है? आई डोंट नो. ओके. चिल्ड्रन बताओ, आपको कुछ भी बोलो तो tell me in chats also whatever you want to ask. If you don't want to ask, then we can wind up also. What's that? Even I didn't get that. What's that? Shrishti, what's your question, beta?
Ma'am, I was talking about the colorblind question.
Acha, that's that hereditary wala na question.
Yes, ma'am, that one.
So wo you ask Zoha ma'am, discuss with her.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have specialized our areas actually. Okay. तो देख लो आप 15 more minutes. We'll see. If you don't have anything, then we'll wind up the program today, the doubt session. There's no point hanging around.
And homologous means like they are formed from convergent or divergent evolution.
What?
Homologous organs are
हाँ, तो homologous organs का पहले क्या feature होता है? What are homologous organs? Just tell me.
I think they are like same origin and different feature.
Same origin and different function, right?
Yeah.
है ना?
So
that means they are going in the different directions from one point, right? Hello?
Yeah.
If you actually draw pictographically, तो same origin मतलब एक point से start हो रहे हैं, but different functions मतलब different तरीके से वो they are moving in different directions. So they're kind of diverging. Okay? They're kind of moving away. Okay, so diversity is seen over here. So it is a, so what do you think it will be?
Divergent evolution.
Yes. So children, I have a question. So if I have to explain anything, I ask you questions first. I ask you छोटा questions. ठीक है? फिर मैं आप ही फिर जवाब देते सीख जाते. Is it a, do you like this web method? Geeta, I'm talking about this minor test for NSCGS. You did not appear for that? Geet Wagle? Are you not in the cover up group? Say yes or no in chat, bacha. Geet, are you attending cover up group? NSCGS cover up group? With me? अरे यू ज्वाइन लेट, तो लेकिन लेट वालों के लिए तो है बेटा वो. गीत, कैन यू अनम्यूट आजिस प्लीज? आई अनम्यूट यू गीत. I can't. Why? Please just see. I can't unmute you. Your mic is not working. अच्छा, so you know what, Keith? All the cover up में जो late join किया है बच्चों ने, they are all there. So you might as well join it. Okay, the classes are conducted during the weekdays, twice in a week. और अभी they have just started the cell cycle, cell division का chapter. One lecture has been done. And last I completed evolution. Before that it was heredity. So you can start from cell division only. So you ask Bruce sir or somebody to put you in that cover up group. Okay? आप उसमें जाओ, अच्छा है. Lot of information you get actually. IGSO is like advanced level biology or any subject for that matter. It is like 11th and 12th के बीच का. 10th, 11th and 12th, that range. More than higher than 9th grade. How many of you are in the regular batch? How many? Okay. How many of you are, what to say? Aniket sir ka classes, how many of you are attending? Is anybody attending Aniket sir ka class? IGSO? No one from this group? So children, I think I'll wind up the class today. What do you think? Shall we? Only 5-6 people left. So doubts, I'm still waiting for 5-10 minutes, then we'll wind up. Okay. Chalo then, guys. Anyone else, any doubt? Shall we wind up now? Okay. Good night, guys. Bye-bye.